In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable lockdown mode on your macOS device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the Apple icon up in the menu bar and then select System Settings. On the left panel, you want to go down and select Privacy and Security. And then on the right side, you want to go down to Lockdown Mode. Underneath security. So go ahead and select that. So if there's currently an option to turn off, you go ahead and select the turn off option. You may be prompted to enter in your administrator password to confirm the change, and then you would need to proceed to restart your MacBook in order to confirm that selection or that modification, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.